fix a couple mirrors. We gotta fix the mirrors. That's what we gotta do. Mirrors check. Other mirrors check. Cooks.
Why?
Why? These kids are gonna be like, look at this idiot, dude.
Yeah. You know what you look like?
What?
That one character from Elmo with the really long nose.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
What's going on? Oh shit! What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. We are doing some light driving today. You know, just to bring you guys along with, you know, what we do. You know, it's a slow Sunday. You know, not much going on. Really, no car events. So why not just drive around and have a good time? Let's see if there's other cars that want to go out and play, you know? You never know. They're literally looking at me like this idiot, dude. I'm trying something different with my GoPro. Woo! Yes, sir! This thing. Holy shit. Yeah, buddy. I love this car, dude. This car is amazing. We're just going around seeing who wants to play today, you know? You know, as you guys seen in the last episode, we did cancel a budget build series for a good cause, you know, and I wasn't getting the attraction that I wanted it to, and a lot of you guys might not agree with it, but honestly, at the end of the day, it's just the truth. You know, maybe some of you guys did like it, some of you guys hated it. It is what it is. Like I said, I could go out on the side of this road right now, take a shit, and it's gonna get more views than the budget build series, and that's just the truth. It's like a good 50-ish degrees out right now. Maybe 55, but woo! Oh my god, we got loose. The juice is loose. Holy shit, you saw that shit? That's how we do it in HP society. You like that control? Dude, it got squirmy right there, boys. Woo! But we're just driving around, guys. We're just vibing today. It's just vibes. We're just seeing if we can find some other cars to play with. You know, some other cars that want to say, hey, I want to take on that LS7. And then I'm going to be like, if it's a 10R80 with an ESS kit, we're going to tell them no. And I see my first victim. I see a C7 Corvette. I can't, that's definitely not a Z06. Maybe a Grand Sport, or is it a Stingray? Yep, it's a Stingray LT1. Gapplebees, that's all I know right there. Nope, hold on, it might be a, nope, hold on, we might have an issue, boys. What is that? That should be a Grand Sport, right? You got the Grand Sport spoiler. I can't tell. It is manual. It is manual though. 7-speed manual. I like that. Great choice, buddy. It is a Stingray, I believe. Yep. That is clean. Yeah, that is clean. So we do have a lot of plans coming up on the Z for next week. The car is actually going to go to my guy Pat. Shout out to my guy Moody for putting me on, but it is going to be going to Pat's shop. He's a very big LS expert, you know, but he knows what he's doing. We're going to be putting the Cook's headers, we're going to get a retune, and we're going to be putting the MGW short throw shifter on this car, which I am very excited about. So to be 100% honest, this car is at, I believe, like 525 wheel, 480 foot-pounds of torque. With all the mods that already came on the car should be at a higher horsepower rate. I don't know if this is just a shit tune on the car. The car feels fine. I mean, it doesn't feel like the car's losing any power at all, but you know, I don't know. We might be doing a new cam, new heads. We might just be doing a completely revamp on this build. I really hope you guys heard what I said in any of that, because that is gonna piss me off in post if it's all wind noises. I forgot the window was down. What's that color? Ah, my man. But let me know what you guys want to see as far as, like, because we're going to take this car, I believe May 17th, with my guy Tropic 1LE, and we are going to be taking this car down to Blackhawk Farms Raceway, which is, I want to say it's in Peoria, Illinois. I don't know. It's about a 2-hour drive. I forgot exactly where it's at. but we're gonna trailer this thing with Alex, which is Grabber Fox, and we're gonna be going on the track that day. We're gonna have an instructor. Unfortunately, it is our first time on that track, so I feel comfortable just having an instructor just to, you know, go for the first couple laps and then go from there. But I am excited for the racing coming up on this car. We will take it to a drag strip as well. I don't know what this car is gonna do, you know, in a quarter mile. I want to say if I break a 12, I'll be happy. You know, this car will probably break a 12. I don't know exactly what this does, but I don't know what it's gonna do in a quarter mile. If it gets in there's no way it's gonna get an 11, but if it did, that'd be insane. But yeah, we'll take it to a drag strip. The issue is there's not many builds I could go off of with this car. A lot of guys that have this car now are just all collectors. They don't want to touch the car, which I completely 100% understand. This is, you know, this is a very limited production car. It's a special car. It's not something you see every day, you know, especially, you know, out in Illinois. This thing's insane. So I get it, you know, it's kind of like a fat boy Z06 C6, you know, in my opinion. Obviously it's a lot more track oriented than any other Chevy's ever built. I kind of call this the NA Z01 1LE. Maybe, I guess, maybe you could say that. But look at that. Damn, that looks stock too. That looks insane. Well, every Super looks stock, you know, who knows, but that looks sick, dude. I like that. I fuck with that heavy. That Super is nice. They're gonna think, oh, dude, this guy just came in here to fucking show off. He wants to race? Nah, I promise. I don't want any Super smoke. I've always wanted to go to Texas, dude. I've always wanted to go to Texas just to see the car scene down there, because I feel like the highest horsepower car here is the lowest horsepower car in Texas. Texas is like a whole nother level. I really want to go someday for sure and like record car content out there. I want to take the car. I'll take the car on a trailer and just go down there and just have some fun, you know. Like, this car is not meant to be, you know, 900 wheel horsepower. It's not supposed to have a blower on it. You know, there's not going to be a blower car. It's going to be a strict NA car. And, you know, my goal with this car is kind of just to be an NA track monster. And then later down the line, if we want to build a drag car, I'm 1000%. I'm letting everybody know now, I am building a Terminator Cobra 1000%. Yeah, this is a Chevy. I'm a Chevy guy, but dude, those Mustangs have been the love of my life for such a long time. Just like this car, you know, since high school, I've always wanted a Camaro SS1LE. I've always wanted a Mustang. I've always wanted all these cars, and I ended up getting them all. You know, any car that I wanted, I ended up getting already, which is pretty cool. Out of high school, I've always wanted an SS1LE, and I said the moment I start making big boy money, I want to buy that car. And I did. I actually ordered it brand new in 2021. I bought a 2021 SS1LE in stainless steel metallic, I think was the paint code name, you know. And then obviously I got rid of it when I got my new big boy job, and I said, you know what, I want to get back into this car thing. So 2 years later, I said, I want to get a Mustang. I want to try it out. And that Mustang was honestly fun as hell, dude. I never felt the car rev so high and have such high amount. I like these Mach-E's, actually. Those Mach-E's are nice. Isn't that what it's called? Mach-E? Mustang Mach-E, right? Those are pretty sick. I like that. So it looks like the performance package as well. But you know, obviously later down the line we will be changing a lot of things on this car. You know, I'm kind of wanting to go with newer. I kind of want to go Frankenstein built, like my guy Moody. Big shout out to him. He's a very big inspiration on what I want to do with this. What the fuck? Oh, I thought that was a CTSV. On what I want to do with this car, but I'm excited for it, dude. I am very excited for it. This guy's looking at me like I am fucking weird, dude. But yeah, I kind of want to just revamp the whole build, kind of start it from the beginning and just see what I could do, you know. But so I kind of just want to revamp the entire build, you know. I kind of want to do it from scratch. No, take your time, bud, as long as you're okay. Kind of want to do something a little bit different. I kind of want to go with a bigger cam. I want to do a stage 3 cam. This has a stage 2 comp cam, which shout out to comp cam. Great team. I've hit them up multiple times. Great guys. You know, it has built heads. Shout out to Speed Inc. But at the same time, Speed Inc. doesn't have the best I don't know, because with the whole, you know, motor mount issue that I had with this car when I first got it, you know, the bolts shearing into the block, that could have been from Speed Inc. Again, it might not be, so I don't want to say it is for sure, but, you know, you never know. You know what sucks about this car? There's no AC. This car has no AC compressor. This wasn't built or optioned out with AC, and it sucks, dude. You know what's crazy? I don't even have a radio. Like, there's a radio right here, right? There's a radio right here, but I have a Bluetooth speaker back there because I can't listen to music from the speakers. There's no speakers attached to it. It's insane. Y'all want to talk about race car problems? I'm giving you a bunch right now. This is some race car bullshit. You know what's crazy? You know what actually got me like getting the car out and saying fuck it, let's just take the car out today, was because I heard a coyote like just rip past my house, and I was like, all right, let's go play today. Oh my god, dude, this thing, once it gets the headers, is going to be nasty. This thing is going to be nasty. Oh my god, there's a bunch of deers over there. Oh my god, there's a bunch of deers. Dude, I don't have my blick on me. What's going on, guys? Sorry I lost audio here. I was trying something new with this GoPro mic, and I will never do it again. You can literally hear me go the entire time. So again, I'm really sorry about the audio. I don't know what the fuck I was doing here. We're gonna skip past this, okay? Because I don't know what the hell I was doing here. But other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified and be a part of HP Society. But other than that, we're gonna do more of this POV stuff, man. We're gonna do a lot more of this POV stuff. I know you guys like the first hand with the Z28, and yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support. Love y'all, and see you guys in the next video.